Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05S, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you do is to just press combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time: power key, volume key, and we got these screenshots. You can find them in gallery, then in the album called screenshots. Wow. And from here you can favorite, edit them, share, delete, and also perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.